Wagwan family, so in this video, I share with you how I make curry salmon. So I have a piece of salmon here, I rinse it off and cut it in two and season with my Briscoe's all-purpose season. I season both sides of the salmon, I leave the skin on, this one. So to my skillet, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and I cook the salmon for 4 minutes on each side. So I just flip them over after the first side cook. Now I'm going to take them out. Look at that, nice and beautiful, my people. So take them out. To my skillet, I'm going to add some butter. This is roughly a tablespoon of butter. Saute some onion. Now I saute some garlic. That's like 3 cubes of garlic chopped up. 1 tablespoon of better pepper curry powder. I add some pimentos also. And yes, I add tomato in my curry. Okay. Some sweet peppers. 1 cup of coconut milk. And a cup of water. Add some fresh thyme, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Season with my all-purpose seasoning. Add back the salmon. Just baste it with the curry sauce. Baste this one also. Here, I add some chopped scallions. Look at that, my people. Curry salmon cooked to perfection. So here, I serve it with white rice and spinach.